Hi, this is Mike with WaiverFile. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can set up waiver forms in multiple languages. We'll go ahead and log into the dashboard here, and then click on Waiver Forms. Now I already have a waiver form set up here. That's ready to go, so we'll click on Edit just to take a look at that. So it's just a standard, example form that we have set up. Now what we like to do, it helps to name the form with the name of the language because it's going to become the button that you select. So I'll go ahead and change this one to English. If you had an important title that you want to show on the page, you can actually put it just as a heading in the agreement text down here. But this is just straightforward enough, so I'm just going to leave it for the purposes of this example. We'll go ahead and click Save. Now what I'm going to do is click on the Duplicate button, which is going to make a copy of this waiver. We'll go ahead and activate it. And so now it's named with English too, but we want this to we're going to call it a Spanish waiver. So we'll click on Edit, and we're going to change the title, Spanish. Now I have some Spanish text prepared, again just a sample in this case, and we're going to copy that. Now you can use a service like Google Translate or other similar services to create the agreement text, but we do recommend that you have a native speaker of whatever language you're translating to actually review the terms of your agreement, because since it's a legal document, that's best practice. But for the demo, we're just going to paste this in, and that was just translated with Google Translate. So we'll go ahead and click on Save. And the first part is done, so let's see what it looks like so far. If we go out to the signature area, click on General Admission, you'll see now instead of the form coming up, we get a choice, English or Spanish. So, and if we click English, you get the English version. Click on Spanish, we get the Spanish version. But there's one more step to really complete the process. And you'll see when you get down here that there's still things listed in English in this case. And so there's a different place to go to translate all of that. So let's go back to the admin area here. We'll go back to waiver forms. And what we're going to do is click on Customize Labels. And on this screen, you're able to go through and provide the translation for any button or label that's on that screen. So essentially, you just want to go one by one. So I'm just going to open it up in another tab here, the form, so I can see what we're looking for. So we'll start just down here with adult and children, just for the example. So you'll see here's button adult and button adult and children. So we'll make the Spanish version of that. And all right, we'll click on Save. And now when we go back to the agreement text and we refresh the view, you can see that it updated that label. So you essentially just repeat that process for any of the labels and buttons that are on the screen. And once that's done, you've got a completely translated form ready to go.